What is up, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back again. Traffic. Yeah. Today's video, pupunta tayo sa isang coffee shop around Makati siya actually, and meron kasi doon event. Tambike siya, tambike, and it's for celebration siya ng first 500 users ng Wheelbase app. So shout out to user Lex, and congratulations as well. In case hindi nyo alam, guys, si Sir Lex or Sir Lex Expressway, siya yung head developer ng Wheelbase app. So of course, makiki-celebrate tayo sa kanya. Siyempre, congratulations sa kanya. Of course, kumbaga yung niya, let's say, I guess prize para sa niya, of course, sa accomplishments niya. And of course, pupunta tayo doon for support, of course. And we'll see if may makakilala tayo mga bagong friends doon. Of course, for now, pupuntahan ko yung girlfriend ko sa UERM. Doon ko siya pipick up kasi syempre kasama siya. For sure magugustuhan niya kasi yung event and all. Since fan din siya ng mga big bikes. Yeah. So for sure traffic malala. Maybe kakat ko na lang yung video. Starting here na lang dito. By the way, just ko lang i-mention, suot ko ngayon yung bagong Alpine Star shoes ko, riding shoes, and so far sarap niyang gamitin. compare sa mga ordinary sneakers like mga Converse, Vans, ito solid talaga, guys. And if I may suggest na lang talaga, don't go for cheap motorcycle gears na tipong kahit mura pa yan, guys. Although may mga mura naman na quality wise, pero still doon tayo sa quality over quantity pa din. And not all, but syempre may mga quality na may kapalit din, which is the more maganda yung quality, the more grabe yung quantity, for sure. And as a rider, ang masasuggest ko talaga is you should and always will be more lean to ka when sa investment when it comes to motorcycle gears rather than sa mga let's say mga parts or piyesa ng mga motor, since of course mahalaga talaga ang mga gears, like for example helmets, gloves, boots or riding sneakers, ganon, jackets, and kung ano pa. For the long run naman din talaga yan. So it's for your own safety. But ayun lang naman, suggestion ko lang naman yun. Grabe yung traffic. Siguro, guys, ikakat ko na lang talaga yung video. I'll just cut siguro dito. And i-continue natin yung video once na ipipikapan na natin yung yung girlfriend ko. So see ya, guys. See ya in a bit. There she goes. Hello. Hello, Lovey.
Helmet?
Ha?
Palit tayo helmet?
Ne, mamaya na lang pag-uwi.
Hindi, I mean, kaya nga palit nga tayo.
Mamaya.
I mean, nagpalit tayo.
Oo.
Sabi ka.
Ready? Okay, let's go. Pwede naman tayo U-turn dito. Good, hindi naman. And blah, blah. Yung sasabi ko. Anyways guys, on the way na kami. Na-pick up ko na si Lovey. And yeah. Anyways guys, ito yung coffee shop nila. And nandito na pala ko. So, yeah. It's awesome. Ali.
Sino yan?
Huh? Hindi.
Ah, alam.
Let's check out some bikes. Ours. There. Medyo marami-rami pala yung mga bikes dito. I mean, thumb bike, of course. Oh, sorry. Alright, guys. Ha? Ha? Wag na, masarap ang gabi.
Ay, sa bagay. Give me your bag.
Alright, oo nga pala. Sa'yo yung bag. Anyways, guys, I think that's for it. Yung tambike. Tamang chill lang kami. And tamang drinks. Nag-meet ng mga few friends and So yeah. Till next vlog na lang ulit guys. And yeah, I'll post na lang mga pictures sa, let's say, sa Instagram. And Instagram, yeah, very much Instagram, Facebook. So yeah. Bye guys.
Kwento niya,
Oh, yeah.
Oo, ang away kami
Ha? Pangalawa? Ah. Okay. Okay. Kailangan ko ng stretching. Okay na? Ay, bye-bye. Bye. Ang tahimik. Ang tahimik ng exit natin.
Next time.
Here. Sabi ni Waze,